In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink into a PowerPoint presentation. Hyperlinks can be extremely useful for navigating more substantial presentations or linking to external websites, making your presentation more engaging and interactive. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at how you can easily set up hyperlinks within your slides. First things first, go ahead and open up your PowerPoint presentation file. This is the one you'll want to edit by adding the hyperlink. Once your presentation is open, glance through your slides and decide exactly which piece of text will become your clickable link. Identifying this at the start will make the process smoother. Next, take your cursor and highlight the text you want to link to a web page. By selecting this text, you're basically telling PowerPoint, this is the content that needs the hyperlink, and it helps ensure that the link is attached to the right part of your presentation. Now find and click on the Insert tab located at the top navigation of your PowerPoint workspace. This tab holds a variety of options to enhance your slides, like pictures, shapes, charts, and what we're interested in today, links. When you've located the Insert tab, look for the Link button and give it a click. You should see a drop-down or dialog box appear. Don't let this intimidate you, it's quite straightforward. From the options presented, you'll want to choose Existing File or Web Page, which tells PowerPoint that your hyperlink isn't leading to another slide or document, but to a place online. This is key for our intent to redirect viewers of the presentation to a specific web page when they click that anchor text. Now copy the URL of the website you want your text to link to. Once you've got that URL, paste it into the address bar in the dialog box. This is the virtual destination where the link will take the person viewing the presentation. Double-check this URL to ensure there are no typos, as an incorrect URL will only confuse audience members trying to access additional resources or content. After pasting your URL, you're practically all set. Simply save your changes to ensure everything sticks, and don't forget to test the link by launching the presentation and clicking the hyperlink to confirm that it directs to the intended web page. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully inserted a hyperlink into your PowerPoint presentation, enhancing its functionality and the experience of those who will interact with your slide. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Be sure to practice this a few times, and it'll become second nature in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck with your presentation.